welcome to the first of many vlogs for our Adelaide trip. So it is the 6th of March and we're just about to leave my house to go to the airport. I'm taking Mum and Sam with me, so it's going to be so exciting. I'm just about to book an Uber, and Uber will be here in about 7 minutes I think, and then straight to the train station and then off to Sydney Airport. So I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to miss this little dude. Bye Texas. I'm going to miss him so much, but yeah, I'm going to call an Uber and then off to the airport. So keen. So we just got to the station, and on the way here our Uber driver was like next level crazy. She was not a confident driver at all, and I'm just like, what are you even doing? She didn't know where we're going. It's the station. Anyway, she was just like really heavy breaker, like a bit of a lead foot, just really not confident. It's cringe-worthy the whole time, but we made it here safely and actually a bit earlier, so we're catching an earlier train, which I'm happy about. Excited to go to Adelaide, Mum? Excited to go to Adelaide?
Oh, very much so.
Definitely.
Very much so.
Alright,
the adventure has started.
I think we're getting on the train in like 5 minutes. Alrighty, see you on the train. Train time.
Train is fast.
Train time. White carriage. Oh no. Missed our train. Just missed our train. Seriously, it's at the station and missed our train. So I think it's like another half an hour before the next train. This is my life. This always happens to me. This is so bad. I'm so hungry too, just want to get some food, but far out, hey? Just like, shit. Just missed our train. I watched it go away. I'm gonna find some food. Finger at the airport, Sam. Are you excited? Made it on time with 2 hours to spare. Legit, so excited. I'm so fucking hungry. I need food ASAP. We made it to the airport finally. I have no idea where I'm going, so yeah, I just took a photo instead of a video because I'm an idiot. Just went through security, and of course I got checked. I always get checked. It's rigged. They know I'm coming. It's not fair at all. I think we need to get some food. What are you feeling? Cheeky Macca's? Cheeky Macca's, John? There's juice and stuff. I'm pretty hungry, but like literally. I don't know why I'm so hungry, but I am. It's a real problem. I don't know. Need to get some food. Check it out. Feeding time at the zoo. Got myself Macca's. Yeah. What did you get, Mum?
The bacon and egg, not muffin.
What did you get, Sam?
I got a barbecue bacon muffins.
And shaker fries. So good. I'm starving. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in a toy shop and look at that. Look at this little dude. Oh, he's so cute and squidgy. Ready? He pokes his tongue out. Look, I remember these things. Yes. Remember those? That's so cool. How do you make it go? How does it go? Oh, there you go. That looks creepy out. Come on. Alright, we just got called and we're about to board our plane to Adelaide. Probably going to sign off now and we'll see you in 2 hours when we land. Maybe a sick montage. Yeah. Bye. Welcome to Adelaide. Hey. So we finally made it to our apartment. And this actually is an apartment. It's so cool. So I have full length selfie mirror. So we have a bit of an apartment tour. In here is pretty cool too. So we have like, this is the laundry and the bathroom. Bathroom, shower, and that's our little laundry. Then around here is going to be Sam's room to himself. And then Mum and I will be staying in here. And then our little kitchen. So cute, microwave, fridge, toaster, our table, our little lounge room. Hey guys, what do you think? What do you reckon? Good so far? Good stuff? Another mirror. And we have a balcony, and I haven't been out here yet, so it can't just be locked. It has to open. Oh, this is so cute. Honey, yes. Look at this view. I didn't even know. Okay, we're pretty much the University of South Australia. This is so cute. This isn't part of the main building, it's like detached, but oh my god, that sunset. Look at that. That's so cool. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this actually. Super impressed with this like view. Like, what is this? Super spoiled. I'm so happy. And this is so good too because it's like Mum's first time in Adelaide, so she gets to like see everything. Oh, this is awesome. We have little chairs. I'm having breakfast out here tomorrow, guaranteed. So keen. Oh my gosh, like honestly, I always think like little apartments like this size, I would easily live in like 100%, just like one person, super easy. So yeah, I'm so excited to be here. Yay! I'm like shaking because I'm so hungry, so because it's dinner time now, and again I'm thinking of food. Yeah, we are on, I think we're on like the 3rd floor, so we have a decent view, which is pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy with that. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in, see what they're doing, and see what we're gonna do next. First little outing of the night since we've been here, just to get some supplies, some groceries. I'm just gonna get some Subway for dinner, because I think it's like 8 o'clock. And some, I hope there's people just walk past the window. I got really scared because they were big trolleys and they look really rough. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Gonna order some Subway. This little shop, it's like a servo, but it's so packed. Like there's so much stuff here. There's like shopping, like groceries and recharges and Subway in here. This is awesome. The proper services. I'm back at the apartment and I'm just making myself some dinner. We just got some frozen meals. In the end, I actually didn't end up having Subway, but Sam did. Oh my gosh, she's on FaceTime. Who's that? Who's that? That's my dad. That's our dad. So we are just microwaving at the moment. He's at home, so yeah, that's the current situation. Just cooking up some grub. So that's cooking away, but I'm just gonna go into my brother's room for a second because it's probably the quietest room in the whole place because it has a door that isn't the loo. Anyway, so I'm probably gonna sign off here, guys, just because it's like after night. It's almost 10 o'clock now and I want to edit this and get it uploaded before I go to bed, which won't be too long. I'm just gonna have my dinner, which is what a frozen lasagna that I'm microwaving, and I'm pretty much gonna edit this all up and jump into bed. And tomorrow is Ed Sheeran, but we're doing some stuff in the morning because it's actually Mum's birthday, so I'm gonna do what we can for her. It's her actual 50th. I don't know if you guys know, we actually had a birthday party for her on the weekend. I was gonna vlog it and then it just got too hectic and I started vlogging it and I just totally just couldn't. I had family and friends there, so I just thought it's easier just start vlogging the day we left for Adelaide, which was today. So yeah, tomorrow's Mum's birthday. It's gonna be all about her and the Ed Sheeran concert. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. Night. Bye.